Have you ever wondered about the miracles of Jesus? When he walked the earth, he healed so many people. The Bible tells us that Jesus went throughout the land, healing every disease and sickness among the people. But these weren't just random acts of kindness. Every touch, every word, every healing had a deeper purpose. When Jesus laid his hands on the sick and the weary, it wasn't just about fixing a broken body. It was a sign, a glimpse into the heart of God. It was a physical demonstration of a much deeper spiritual truth. Nothing Jesus did was ever a coincidence. Each miracle was perfectly timed and placed to reveal something incredible. As one man who was healed learned, it all happened so that the works of God might be displayed. Every healing was an act of divine purpose, carried out with divine timing. Just as there is a season for everything under the heavens, there was a perfect moment for each miracle. It was a message that God's power is not bound by our understanding of time or circumstance. His plan is always unfolding exactly as it should, and that same truth applies to your life today. Everything in your life, every joy and every struggle, is known by your Maker. The Lord has searched you and He knows you completely. He sees the parts of your life that no one else does. Even in the crowd, He recognizes you. He knows your heart and He knows your pain. In those moments when you feel brokenhearted, remember that the Lord is close to you. He is there to save those who are crushed in spirit. You are not forgotten. You are not a mistake. Your story has profound meaning because it is part of His greater story. God has a plan for you, a plan to give you hope and a future. He is weaving every detail of your life into something beautiful, something with eternal purpose. If you believe this, let your heart be filled with peace. Let your hope be renewed. If you believe in His divine purpose for your life, see in Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him. And we say and write Amen.